In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can customize a slippers or a shoe image by applying your logo or any kind of design on the image right here in Photoshop. If this is what you are interested in, stay with me in this video and I'll be showing you step-by-step process on how you can achieve this. So let's get started. So I'll go and import the image that I'll be using for this and drag it into Photoshop. Then I'll get my logo. I created this logo specifically for this tutorial. You can use any logo or any image or any kind of design you like to apply on the image, whatever suits you. So here we have it. So what I'm going to do next, on this layer where we have the logo, I will double click on the empty space right here. When I double click, it's going to open up the layer style here. And this is where the magic is going to be happening. So I'm going to come to the bevel and emboss and thick, and I'll click on it to open up. And here we are going to be applying all of these effects, and you can adjust it and play around with it to see the result. So for the style, when I click on the arrow here, you can see that we have different options. So if you click on any of this, you're going to see it's going to reflect right here. So you can choose whichever one you want to go with. But for this tutorial, I'll be going with the emboss. Then for the technique, I would leave it at smooth. Then for the depth, we'll leave it at 1000%. Then for the direction is set to up. And if you click down, you can also see it. So whatever you're okay with, like I said, you can apply that. But for this tutorial, I'll leave it set to up. For the size, I'll leave it at about 20 or 21%. But you can also adjust it to see what you think would be okay for your design. Okay? So I can just set it to 20. For the soften, I'll leave it at 2. Then for the angle, I'm going to leave it at 90. Well, like I said before, you can also adjust it to other angles to see how it would, what the outcome would be like. For the altitude, I'll leave it at 16%. Then for the highlights mode, I'll set it to screen. But if you click on the arrow, you can see other options. But for this tutorial, I'll leave it as screen. And for the color, I'll set it to white for the highlight mode. And the opacity, I'll leave it at 20. For the shadow mode, the color is set to black. And we've set to linear burn. And for the opacity, we leave it at 20. And if you're done with this setting, you can click OK. So I'm going to zoom in to see what we have. And as you can see, that the white is looking too white. Let me just see that it's not looking real to me. It's very real to me now. So I'll come to the fill and reduce the fill. I'll reduce the fill to about 50%, also, or adjust it. So I'll just adjust it a little bit. But I don't want to leave it at 100% because to me it doesn't look very realistic. So if you zoom in, you can see that it's looking much better. So we're actually done with this. And if I don't want to see the color, I don't want any color on it, I'm just going to take up the color. By doing so, I will come to on this logo. I will click on the fill and set it to 0. And guys, you can see what we have here already. I took off the fill and this is what we have. So which do you think is better off, with or without the color? Let me know down below in the comment section. And so obviously we have 2 legs. I'm going to duplicate this and drag it to the other feet and reduce it. Reduce it to make it fit like this. So guys, there we have it. Come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you so much guys, and I'll see you in my next video.